from the Mellow Vapes in Statesville, and I wanted to reintroduce you to a product that we have had here in the shop and has been very successful here for a long time. I wanted to show you how to basic on the Boulder Rock. A lot of you own these or have owned them. A lot of us picked them up just to see what they were all about because they're super easy to use. This all-in-one pod system device. You could recommend either CBD or salt-based nicotine through these. They are super convenient to use. Whenever the coil system starts to burn out, you just buy a whole new pod. You refill this until it tastes funny and then you toss it away. As you can see, it just snaps down in there. To charge your device, it is built in. So you actually have the convenience of not having to carry any kind of extra charger. You can stick that straight into a laptop or a computer, anything really, just a charging block. 3 clicks on, 3 clicks off. There's a little light indicator here on the front of the device to let you know if it's on, off, or charging. Other than that, guys, to fill your tanks, there's a little plug right here. And you just remove that silicone plug and drip the juice down into that. There's a few different ways that you can do that. I'm sure you'll find your own method. It'll become routine. It's not as hard as it looks, guys. So you just replace the little cap, pop it on, hold the button, and inhale. I would highly recommend a mouth to lung inhale on a device like this. You're not going to get a whole lot of vapor, but it is a pleasant experience, and these things are actually really reliable. I probably have had 500 of these things move all around my shop, and people are using them for a long time. They're awesome. Hope to see you guys down to pick up your Boulder and something to put in it. See you around.